Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you all are having a great day, a awesome day, and welcome to another brand new video on my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to implement rot13 encoding in JavaScript. Okay, so first of all, let me show you what is rot13. So go to rot13.com, this website, and you can see you have a box to input. So I'm going to type ABCD, and you can see it gives me NOPQ. Now, why is that? Because it takes every single letter. The rot13 function actually takes every single letter and it goes 13 letters forward, and it takes that letter and it returns that letter. So in the case of A, is going 13 letters up, which is N, and it is returning our N right here. So the ABCD's rot13 will be NOPQ. Alright, so today we're going to be building this, and it is actually really simple, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to go to my developer console in Chrome. Then I'm going to paste this code, because this is all that we need to make a rot13 functionality. Okay, so first of all, copied and pasted it right here. So you can just type it or type it right here from, you can just copy it. Okay, you can just copy it. And I'm going to explain it, all of these things right now. So what we're having first of all is a function, a simple arrow function right here, and this function name is rot13, and this string is the string that the user types. Then we are splitting that string, because if the user types A, B, C, D together, we need each and every single individual letter to actually find out the 13 up letter. So we're splitting every single one of them, and we're taking in those individual letters, and for each and every single one of them we're mapping through, and those individual letters we're saving it in letter. Then we're saying string from charcode. Now what is charcode? So this charcode is actually a code, an integer that defines a letter. So what do I mean by that is, when you have a letter like this, A, suppose you have A, okay? So the charcode of A is equal to 97, okay? So which means these all letters have a unique integer, which is called the charcode. So this integer that you have is called the charcode of A, because it is A's code, okay? So I hope you understand that. And so we're saying string from charcode, which means whatever number we put inside this function is going to find out that which letter has this number right here. So it's going to find out that, and it's going to return that. So we are saying string from charcode, letter charcode at. So what this means is we're saying letter charcode, which means this letter in this case is going to be A, because there's nothing here, but when we type ABCD, so it's going to take A, because we're mapping through every single individual one of them. So first of all, it's going to take A, and it's going to figure out, this charcode at function is going to find out what is the charcode of A. In this case, it is going to be 97, okay? So it's going to pick up the 97 right here. Oh, sorry, my bad. It's going to pick up the 97 right here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to plus it with 13. So it's going to go 13 up of that A letter, okay? But before that, what we're going to do, we have to check that if the letter is less than N. So we're saying letter dot to lowercase, because we're going to compare it with a lowercase n. So we have to say letter dot to lowercase, which is going to make any letter lowercase. So we are saying if the letter is less than N, which means before N, we are going to be going 13 forward. And if the letter is not less than N, if it is N or NOPQ, then we're going to go, not 13, but it's going to be minus 13 right there. It's going to go minus 13, which means it's going to go backwards. So why is that? Because if the user types Z, we cannot go 13 up, because there's no more letter left, okay? So it has to go backwards. So if there's any NOPQ, then we're going to go backwards 13 times. So this is our function. Now if we call that, if we call rot13 and hey, give me ABCD's rot13 encoding, then when we do that, there we go guys, you can see that we have NOPQ. Alright, so recap what we did. So we actually made a function, and on that function what happens is we input a data. So suppose we input A, and the function takes that A, so this is the function, it takes that A and it makes, it takes that A and it goes and it calculates what is the char code of A. So in this case A is 97. So after it calculates that the char code of the inputted value, it goes 13 char codes up of this 97. Okay, so it goes up and it finds out that what char code it has if you go 13 up. So basically it means if you go 13 up of this A's char code, you're going to get 13 up letter from this A, which is going to be N right here. So we are getting N right here. So hope you guys understand what is happening and hope you learned something valuable today. So if you like this video guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button so hard that it turns blue, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button to actually get notified about my videos. Okay guys, so this was all for today. Love you all guys. Until next time, I'm out.